The CH-YH1000 unmanned transport aircraft, developed by Aerospace CH-UAV Co. Ltd., reached a significant milestone on Monday as it successfully completed a full-load taxiing test under operational conditions at Zhanghe Airport in Jingmen, Hubei Province, central China. The manufacturer announced on Tuesday that the next step in the development process will involve conducting the drone's maiden flight after further optimizations. According to a press release from the company, the taxiing test demonstrated the aircraft's smooth and stable operation across all systems. The test verified the drone's operability and adaptability, underscoring its readiness for the next stages of testing. During the trial, the CH-YH1000 steadily accelerated along the runway, maintained precise control throughout, and came to a safe halt within the predetermined taxiing distance. The successful completion of the taxiing test marks an important achievement for the development team. Further refinements and rigorous testing will now be conducted to ensure the drone's performance remains stable and reliable. Once these adjustments are completed, the CH-YH1000 is expected to embark on its maiden flight, marking a new chapter in China's unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) capabilities. The CH-YH1000 is designed to carry a payload of up to 1,000 kilograms, making it a game-changing solution for logistics, emergency rescue, and military supply chain missions. Its robust transport capabilities offer a transformative approach to addressing the challenges of efficient cargo transportation. This unmanned transport aircraft is expected to contribute significantly to the advancement of China's drone industry. It will also accelerate the growth of the country's low-altitude economy, paving the way for broader applications in both commercial and defense sectors. The CH-YH1000 was first unveiled to the public at the Airshow China 2024, held in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province, in November 2024. Displayed as a static ground exhibit, the transport drone attracted significant attention from industry experts and observers. At the airshow, Aerospace CH-UAV Co. Ltd. provided detailed insights into the CH-YH1000's design and capabilities. It was presented as a versatile medium-altitude drone system suitable for both military and civilian use. In addition to logistics and transportation, the drone can also be equipped for weapon delivery missions. One of the standout features of the CH-YH1000 is its ability to take off and land on short and rugged runways. This makes it highly adaptable for operations in challenging environments, enhancing its potential for deployment in remote or austere conditions. The CH-YH1000 boasts impressive technical specifications, as highlighted during its showcase at the airshow. Key features include payload capacity, 1,000 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight, 2,300 kilograms. Mission endurance, more than 10 hours. Operational ceiling, 8,000 meters. These specifications enable the drone to perform long-endurance missions while carrying significant cargo loads, making it an invaluable asset for both logistical and tactical operations. Fu Qianchao, a Chinese military aviation expert who observed the CH-YH1000 at Airshow China 2024, emphasized the advantages of transport drones over traditional manned aircraft. He pointed out that unmanned transport vehicles typically feature a low empty weight paired with a high payload capacity. This design approach not only improves efficiency but also reduces operational costs, making them an economical alternative for various missions. One of the CH-YH1000's defining characteristics is its rapid cargo loading and unloading capability. This unique feature allows the drone to complete multiple sorties efficiently, maximizing its operational effectiveness. Whether transporting essential supplies to isolated areas or delivering critical equipment to military bases, the CH-YH1000 is engineered to meet a wide range of demands. Beyond its primary role in transport missions, the CH-YH1000 also has the flexibility to carry specialized payloads. Fu highlighted the potential for this drone to adapt to different scenarios, including the integration of custom equipment for niche applications. The CH-YH1000's development represents a major step forward for China's UAV industry, which has been rapidly expanding in recent years. Its versatility and performance capabilities make it a vital addition to China's growing fleet of transport drones, further strengthening the nation's position in the global UAV market. The drone is also expected to play a critical role in advancing China's low-altitude economy, which focuses on leveraging UAV technology for commercial and industrial growth. By enabling efficient and cost-effective transportation solutions, the CH-YH1000 aligns with China's broader goals of fostering innovation and technological leadership. With its maiden flight on the horizon, the CH-YH1000 is poised to set new benchmarks in the field of unmanned transport. Its robust design, coupled with its adaptability for diverse missions, positions it as a trailblazer in both civilian and military applications. As Aerospace CH-UAV Co. Ltd. continues to refine and optimize the CH-YH1000, the drone is expected to unlock new possibilities for logistics, emergency response, and strategic operations. Its ability to perform reliably in challenging environments will make it an indispensable tool for addressing the complex demands of modern transportation and supply chains. China's investment in UAV technology, exemplified by the CH-YH1000, highlights the country's commitment to advancing its capabilities in this critical domain. The success of this project will not only bolster China's transport drone industry, but also reinforce its leadership in the global UAV sector.